I'm Clive Ball. I'm the Head of Property in Specialist Estate Services, which is part of NHS Wales Shared Services Partnership Organisation. So the property team in Specialist Estates provides expert and specialist advice to all organisations in NHS Wales. Shared Services Partnership is one of the largest host companies of Network75 students. We've taken a number of students from a number of disciplines over many years, and it benefits the organisation by bringing different students into the organisation with different ideas, and it can really give a different dimension to your recruitment and employment opportunities. When I was involved in establishing a real estate course at USW, I was particularly keen that the course offered a Network75 opportunity. I believe that it can offer students who may not consider going to university an option of doing so, because you can graduate with 5 years work experience, but also no student debt.